Let's talk about knives. So I have a lot of chef knives. Some for sentimental reasons, some for utility and training, some because I'm whore for Japanese carving, some for utility, and some just because they look freaking awesome. All right, so full disclosure, I've had this guy for going on about 6 months now. Back in September when we were at the Ace Orlando show with Big Green Egg, the Messermeister tent was set up right next to ours, and every time we had a little bit of a dull, a little bit of a low point, I went and checked out the knives because I love knives. And I always went back to this guy because it is a fantastic looking, and it's really just a killer knife. So from a visual point of view, full tang, thick spine. It's got that like half Suntoku rocker cut, which a lot of people like, mixed with a more of a standard chef knife look. It's got the clip point, which a lot of knives don't have, and it's got a full micarta handle. So I'm not telling you to go out today and buy this knife. What I'm saying is, I've had this knife for about 6 months. I haven't really felt the need to sharpen it. I've honed the steel a little bit, but I have butchered things with this. I've broken down turkeys with this, and it's held up fantastic. And I just want to say, hey, here's a knife that I have that's holding up fantastic that I'm continuing to use, and I kind of like it. So if you're looking for a knife, check out this guy.